Hi there, my name is Manny. Today got Hyundai Elantra. Its engine is misfiring, but there is no check engine light is on. I did the road test. I have found the vibration on the engine and has some weird noise on it. So when I open up the hood and check for any issue, I found these burning marks on the ignition wires. So what I'm gonna do next, I will swap the spark plug and ignition coils. I get the code for the number 2 and number 4 cylinder misfire. So I will swap number 2 ignition coil with the number 3 and number 2 spark plug with the number 1. And after that I will clear the codes and do small road test and recheck for the codes after. If the misfire jumps to number 2 to number 3, it means the ignition coil is faulty. If the misfire jumps to number 2 to number 1, it means spark plugs are faulty. If the misfire stays on number 2, it means something wrong with the wires or PCM. Thank you.